Hey there everybody, this is Jason. Don't mind the noisy kids over wherever they are. I just wanted to show you real quick how to change, pop out a hard drive in case you want to change it or reseat it or pop it into a hard drive reader, any of that stuff. First thing, as always, make sure you're grounded. Some piece of metal so that no static electricity. This is especially important, if I can talk, especially important for hard drives, that you don't get any static electricity discharged into the hard drive, because that could very well ruin it. Most modern laptops, and obviously for desktops this would be a different process, but most modern laptops, the bottom has a pop-off back here. First, before we do that, we got to take this battery out. So let's do that. There we go. And then we got to, this one, yeah, it just has this pop-off thing. You slide that over, this pops off like that, boom, and then you just unscrew it. It's really all there is. Yeah. So, okay. Get it in there. Alright, I know, unscrewing things is like the most exciting thing you've seen all day, isn't it? Alright, and in this case, you just get this little tab, pull it out, lift it up, there you go. There's the hard drive. And then if you need to replace the hard drive, see these screws here? Just undo those and do the two on the other side, and there you go. And then you can just put it back together and you're good to go. And then just pop the hard drive back in. Yeah. If you're using a hard drive reader, you'll have to take the case off as well. If you're just needing to reseat the hard drive, sometimes it happens. Sometimes for some reason or another your motherboard just is like, I don't know, I can't read this thing. Just unscrew it, pull it out, pop it out, push it back in, good to go. So let's do that real quick, because this hard drive is actually, it's in pretty fair condition. It should be. It's brand new. I just re-imaged it a minute ago. So, yes. Oh, Jason, get with the program here. There we go. And last one. There we go. There we go. And then the back again. It just slides right into place. Obviously, yours is more than likely going to differ, seeing as not every laptop is the same. But there you go. That locks it into position. Get your battery, pop that back in, and enjoy. That's all there is to it. That looks like it's going to do us for this time. So, if you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them in the comments. Until then, this is Jason, signing off.